Raising and lowering the G10 tower on the Malibu couldn't be easier because it's powered. First thing we want to do is we actually want to unbuckle the Bimini from the tower. This is going to allow us to get the maximum height, or get it as low as possible in the boat. Unbuckle here. We're going to go ahead and lower our mirror out of the way. Next thing we're going to do, we're actually going to unpin the Bimini right here. This is going to allow us to rotate the Bimini so it's a little bit more parallel. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and lock in this side again too. There we go. And then, even with the battery switch turned off, you have the ability to raise and lower the tower so you don't have to turn it back on. Press the power button up here, turn the knob to the down position once, and that should release it. If it doesn't, cycle it on and then on one more time. Turn and hold. You just got to watch out for the helm seat when you're going all the way down. If you have the double tower speakers, you can also swivel the chair out of the way. So then if you really need to go all the way down, you can. Going back up is just the opposite. Hold it in the up position. Make sure you turn the power button off because that will draw the batteries, especially if you're keeping it on the lift for an extended period of time. And then just go ahead and put the Bimini back to the normal position and you're ready to go.